Hello friends, last week at Microsoft's Build Conference, Visual Studio 15.7 got released, and there's some pretty big new features for Xamarin developers in it. So today I want to give you a rundown of them. My name is Matt Sokup, and I'm a Senior Cloud Developer Advocate at Microsoft. So let's get rolling. Remember the days of creating a traditional Xamarin iOS or Android app and seeing just a ton of options in the file new templates? Well, I'm sure you do. It was just last week that they were all there. But now with VS 15.7, the templates are greatly cleaned up, easier to use, and find what you're looking for. Not only that, but they've been modernized as well. The master detail template for iOS is now based on the UI split view controller. The Android templates now provide a navigation drawer template. Also a bottom tabs Android template. Plus, Visual Studio will now look at your Android project dependencies and make suggestions as the SDK components to download. This way you don't have to guess which SDKs you need. The Android SDK Manager will tell you. To enable it, go to Tools, Options, Xamarin, Android Settings, Enable Auto Install Android SDKs. Now, I'm not shy about admitting my love for Xamarin Forms. And this release of Visual Studio gives a whole lot of love to XAML IntelliSense. Check out the auto suggestions. I type layout, and it grabs all of the elements that have the word layout in them. If I want to refactor a tag, VS has me covered there. Automatically changing the end tag as soon as I start typing in the start tag. Resource IntelliSense. I have a color in the resource dictionary, and I don't want to have to remember the key name I gave it. Here it is in the IntelliSense. Finally, I save the best until last. When I define the view model in a XAML, I get full IntelliSense to the properties and the commands when doing data binding. Those are all but a few new features in Visual Studio 15.7 for Xamarin developers. Be sure to check out the documentation for the rest of them.